I'm about to ask a real. This is just freestyle off the top. Tina Turner or Jill Scott?
Oh, Jill Scott.
I told you, I'm freestyling.
That hit me out of nowhere.
Right or root beer?
Root beer.
I already know the answer to this question, but I'm asking anyways. PlayStation,
Xbox.
water or Gatorade?
Oh. Water.
So y'all freestyling, man. I'm freestyling this. The Temptations or the Beatles?
Oh, Temptations.
Is that because they black?
Yep. No other reason.
Let's.
No, I know no Beatles song. I can sing you a Beatles song. I can sing you Temptation songs, but I can't sing a Beatles songs.
I'm gonna ask you a preacher question.
Okay.
Monroe or Paul? And I'm not talking about Paul. I'm talking about Paul that wrote the 13 epistles. Paul.
Oh, you want Miles Monroe? Oh God. I gotta cook this Paul that wrote the epistles. I'm gonna have to still roll with Paul, man. I'm gonna have to. Dang.
I know.
Yeah. Miles Monroe said some things that changed my life, but Paul done said some things. Paul done said some stuff. He didn't say some stuff.
Bars.
Yeah, he got bars. He got spiritual bars.
Let's see. Facebook or Instagram?
G. No disrespect to those who are on live or might see this video later, but IG.
Mac or what's the thing? Or Windows, basically.
Mac.
I'm
a Mac person.
Wireless microphone or no wireless microphone?
Wow, good question. Wireless. Give me wireless.
Rap or R&B?
Rap.
Inspiration from R&B sometimes. Mexican or Italian?
Oh, is this food?
Yeah.
Shoot. I would have picked Mexican, man. Dang.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, and he can't explain his answer.
Yeah, I know. I can't.
Basketball or football?
Basketball.
I think I got about five more for you. This is probably about to be. The trumpet or the piano?
Oh, good question. Piano. Give me them keys, man. Them keys.
Yeah, them keys are dope. Especially when they play by a dope person.
Yep.
I already know this one, but I'm asking anyways. Typing or writing?
Oh, writing. Give me that pen and that paper, man.
Yeah. Let's see. Man, I'm trying to freestyle off the top. Like
you're doing good.
Freestyles or writtens?
Oh, writtens.
Okay, writtens. Okay. Ice Cube or Eminem?
Oh, come on.
I'm freestyling.
Eminem, man. Dang.
I'm gonna give you two more. I don't know if I'm asking 15 or not at this point.
I'm about to lose my black card for that answer.
Hey, if Ice Cube come looking for you,
I'm telling him, man, it was the impulse, man. Impulse answer.
you gonna say your impulse should have been him. Which one do you prefer to play, basketball or football?
Same, basketball.
Okay. And then let's go with. I'm about to ask. I'm not as quick on my feet right now. Park or the beach?
Beach.
Okay. Oh, and last one. Here we go. Movie theater or home theater?
Oh. Shoot. Dang. Movies.
Okay.
Movies.
Okay. This one has a bonus.
Man.
This one has a bonus, and then we're done.
All right.
A crowd of people or no crowd of people?
Oh. No crowd. Yeah.
I see you. You